Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Latest progress and update of the roof installation. Today is 19th November 2025 and you can see the massive progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Installation of trusses has been completed. You can see for yourself. Installation of trusses that are going to hold canopy have already been completed. You can see they have also painted. You can see from this point they have already painted the walls. You can see the villas that are already these steel structures. You can see clearly for yourself. Today is 19th November 2025 and this is the latest progress of the roof installation. You can see clearly the trusses has been completely installed. You can see clearly. Now the next step is to install the canopy of this mega stadium that is going to host AFCON 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya, with a city capacity of 60,000 spectators, with a total construction cost of $344.5 million US, which is equivalent to 44.5 billion Kenya shillings. The construction company is China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company, and they started this project back in 2024. And this project was expected to be completed in December 2025, but due to changes, is going to be completed in 2026. Just observe the massive progress. Talanta Stadium is being constructed on Jamhuri grounds along Gong Road, a few kilometers away from Nairobi CBD. You can see what China Road and Bridge Corporation has done so far. You can see they have already painted the pillars that are already these steel structures. You can see clearly. So these are the finishing points of this mega stadium. You can see clearly what they have done. They have already completed the installation of trusses. Now the next step is to install canopy. You can see clearly for yourself. This is a great job. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation credit. You can see clearly. This is a great thing for Kenya and football fans. You can see for yourself. The construction of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya is under public-private partnership, PPP. And you can see the massive progress. You can see down there what has been done so far. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation credit. You know Kenya is going to host AFCON. And we are happy to say Talanta Stadium is one of the stadiums that are going to host AFCON 2027, among other stadiums like Kasarani and Nyayo Stadium. You can see for yourself. You can see clearly. Tanzania is going to host AFCON 2027, and they are constructing a stadium with a city capacity of 30,000 spectators, Arusha Stadium. Uganda has constructed a stadium with a city capacity of 20,000, Hoima City Stadium in Uganda. All these stadiums are being constructed to prepare ahead of AFCON 2027. Let's keep enjoy this video. We see the massive progress and update of this Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya.
you